Hello my dear friends. Today we will discuss about the algebraic expression and identity of standard 8 exercise 9.2. Okay, so in the previous lesson we are studied about what is a monomial, what is a binomial, what is a trinomial, and what are the polynomials. Today we will be discussing about that how what is the product or what is the result we will be get after if we multiply two monomials. Okay, let's discuss one by one. Okay, let's start. Okay, what is a monomial? We studied in the monomial. We have studied that a monomial is nothing but it's having only one expression. Yes or no? Okay, it may be 1000, it may be 2x, it may be x square, like this. Means that is there is a single expression must be there. Okay, so today we will be discuss how if two monomials are multiplied with each other, then what are the result it will be get. Okay, first understood the funda. Okay, then we will go to your exercise. Okay my dear friends, so suppose if I say find the product of, product means what? Multiplication of two monomials 2 and n. 2n is one monomial and n is the another monomial. Okay, let's discuss one by one. Okay, I will change this one as m. Okay now, so how it will be multiplied? If I say that find the product of two monomials means what? Numbers will be multiplied with the numbers and the expression or the variable will be multiplied with each other. Here with m, anything is there? Yes, m means nothing but 1 it is. Yes or no? So the constant will be first multiplied with each other, that is 2 into 1. Okay, and the variables will be multiplied with each other. So what is the result? 2 into 1 2, n into m, mn or 2nm, whatever you can write it here. Understood my dear friends? So this is how you should multiply the two monomials. Let's go through the another example my dear friends. Okay, let the monomial from this two 2n into 10. So as I told you, first the constant will be multiplied, that is 2 into 10, and here monomial is only n, nothing is there in the case of the another monomial. Okay, so 2 into 10 is 20, the answer is 20n. Understood how it is easy my dear friends? Okay, so like this manner you have to find the products between the two monomials. Okay, so always I told you before going to the lesson, just remember the funda. Okay, let's go to your exercise. Understood my dear friends? Okay, so always I told you, if you like my channel then subscribe it. If you have any doubts then write in my comments. Understood? Okay, let's come to the exercise. Okay, what is the exercise? It is saying, the first exercise is saying that find the product of the following of exercise 9.2 it is. So what is the question it is given in your books? Yeah, it is there. The first one is given that product of the monomials. What is the product of the monomials? 4 and 7b. These two are the two what? Monomials. Yes or no? So I will say that how it will multiply. You will write in the first step 4 into 7p. Then constant will be multiplied with the constant 28, and p, here the expression variable is p, here nothing variable is there, so it is as it is p. So like this manner you have to find it. Okay, let's go to the second one. What is the second one it's saying? Yeah, let's take it the third bit of your first number. Okay, what it said? It's saying that minus 4p and another is what? 7pq. Okay, same it is. In case of comma, put the multiplied sine and 7 PQ. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. Now, according to our rules, what you have to do? Yes. First, multiply the constant. 4 7 are 28, but here minus is there. Minus into plus, minus. Means with constant, signs will be also multiplied with each other. Okay. Now, P into P. We are studying about exponents and radicals, my dear friends. P into P, or you can say that, if I elaborate this one, you can write 4 into 7 into P into P into Q. Understood? Like this manner you can do it also. Multiply this to 28 into P square, because it is a power of m, a power of n. Here power is what? 1. So the formula is what? A power of m plus n. Yeah. Into Q. Now multiply all of them. P square Q. This is the answer of the product of the two monomial of these two. Okay. Now let's go to the third one. What is the third one is saying? Sorry, third one is over. Then the next topic. Okay, next question is given. Yeah, fourth bit. The fourth bit is saying that 4PQ and minus 3P. You have to find the product between these two. Okay, so same case, go for it. What is that? In case of comma, put multiplied sign. The next, yes, very good. Constant will be multiplied with each other, and yes, variable will be multiplied with each other. 4 3s are 12, though it is minus is there, right here minus. PQ into P, it is P power of 4. Why? PQ into P is which formula? Yes, a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. So according to that, what is the answer? It will be P power of 3 plus P power of nothing is there, means it is 1. P power of 4. Like this manner, you have to solve it, my dear friend. This is the process you have to solve by using exponent and exponent powers. Okay. So like this manner, you have to solve the product between the two monomials. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Let's go to the second one. What the second one is saying? Okay. So always I told you, my dear friends, if you have any doubt, then please write in my comments so that I can clear your doubts. Okay. The second one is saying that find the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Who will tell me what is the area of a rectangle? Yes. Very good, Svetang. The area of a rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Means we know that if the two sides are multiplied with each other, then we will find the area of the rectangle. But what are the sides it's given? Yes, it is in your book, it is there. So what is the side? First it's saying that two sides are P and Q. Then what is the area? So therefore, area of the rectangle is P into Q. Because P and Q are the two sides. So answer is PQ. Okay? Because no units are given. So you have to write as it is. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Let's go to the second one. What is the second one saying? Shall I erase this one? Okay. So my dear friends, in this second number, it is very, very important that you have to know what is the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Okay. Which one is length? The bigger side is length and the smaller one the breadth. Okay. Okay. Now the second anything is there? Yeah. Let's go to the second one. 10m and 5n. Now 10m and 5m are the two sides of the rectangle. So find out area of the rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Length is the bigger one. So between these two, which one is bigger? 10 is bigger. So right here, 10m into 5m. So how you will multiply this one, my dear friends? Yes, very good, Aditi. That is what? 10 is multiplied with 5. 50, and the variables will be multiplied with each other. That is what? Mn. So what is the area of the rectangle if the two sides are 10m and 5n? So answer is what? 50 mm. Understood? Okay, very good, my dear friends. Let's go to the third one. What is the third one is saying? The third topic is saying that 4x and 3x square. If the two sides of the rectangles are 4x and 3x square, then what is the area of the rectangle? Always remember that what is the formula of area of the rectangle. Okay. So what is the area of the rectangle? Again I am writing. Who will tell me? Yes, very good answer. It is length into breadth. What is length? Take it whatever it will be. 4x into 3x square. So in this case, how you will multiply? Yes, very good answer. It is what? Constant will be multiplied with constant and variable will be multiplied with the variable. 4 3s are 12. X into x square, x cube. Y. Yes. Again, a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. Here, x into x square. What is that? Will tell me? Yeah, x power of 1 plus 2, which is x power of 3. Okay? So like this manner, you have to solve your question one by one by applying the area of the rectangle rule here. And it is very, very important that you have to be remember that how these monomials are multiplied with each other. Understood? Okay, very good, my dear friends. Let's go to the third one. In the third one, a box is given and it's saying that you have to what? Complete the box. Okay, by finding the product of the two monomials. Okay, let's draw the box. My dear friends, I am not doing all the questions because some of the question I am doing so that the rest of the question will be tried by yourself. Okay, so that you can easily understood what are the things is going to happen. Okay? Okay. Let's come to one by one. Okay? Okay, let do me three numbers. Okay? Process is same, my dear friends. Only thing is what? How you will be solve the things. Okay? So here is one monomial, here another monomial. So what are they? It's given as first one is 2x, 2x. Okay? The second one is given minus 4x, y. 4xy. Here it is given minus 5y. Okay? 3x square and minus 4xy. Here another number is there. What is that? Minus 9x square y square. Okay. Like this manner if it is given means how you will do it. Okay. So always remember whenever the box is given and you have to find the product of these two monomials means you just go to the rough and directly write the answer inside the box. Okay. 2x into 2x. If I multiply these two. So what is that? 2x into 2x. How? Who will be saying me? Yes, Vaishnavi, very good. That is what? Same process. 4x square. Okay. So right here 4x square. Then again, this one will be multiplied with these two. Who will tell me? Okay. Who will tell me? Yes, tell me. Yes, very good, Vaishali. It is what? Multiplied it. 2 5s are 10. Minus is there. Put your minus. X into y. xy. So what is the answer? Minus 10xy. Okay. Very good, my dear friends. Very good. Okay. Like this manner you have to solve it. Okay. Don't be confused. It is very, very easy. Okay. Okay, my dear friends. Okay. Next one will tell me 2x into 2x into 3x square. Very good, Aniket. It is 6 x cube. How? Let's elaborate it. See, 2 into 3 into x into x square. 2 3s are 6 into x cube. 6x cube. Okay, like this one you have to find it. Okay, now don't be confused. If you remember the funda, then it is clear. Okay, my dear friends. Okay. So what is the answer here? 6x cube. Okay. Then who will tell me the next one? 2x will be multiplied with minus 4xy. 2x into minus 4xy. Okay. Yes. Yes, Kali. Very good. 2 will be multiplied with minus 4. Yes, very good. Into x into xy. Now, 4 2s are 8 because minus is there. Into here x into x square and y will be as it is. So what is the result? Minus 8 x square y. How it is easy, my dear friends? It is very easy now. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can write in my comment section so that I will be clear your doubt. If you like it, then what you have to do? Yes, you have to be subscribe my channel so that it will be helpful for you. Okay. So you are getting the new videos from my side. Okay. Understood? Okay. Which one we will do? Just tell me, my friends. Let's go to minus 4xy and minus 5y. Let's do it. This box. Okay. Minus 4xy into minus 5y. Same process. Constant will be multiplied with constant. Okay. And variable will be multiplied with the variable. Because here x is there, here x is not there. So right here x it is as it is. Y become multiplied with y. Like this one. Okay. So these two 20 minus into minus plus. Very good. Into x into y. Yes, very good. It is y square. 20x y square. So what is the answer here? 20x y square. Like this one you have to solve it, my dear friend. So total all the box I will not do it. I will just saying the simple process how you will be fill up all this box by this funda of the multiplication between the two monomials. Okay? Good. Very good. Let's do the another one. Which one? Tell me. This and this or this box. Okay? So write down the question first. Minus 4xy into minus 4xy. Okay? Okay. Same process. Constant will be multiplied. Next, same variable will be multiplied with each other. Okay? This is the process. Okay? Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 into x square into y, y square. So it is 16x square, y square. Right here, 16x square, y square. Like this manner, you have to solve the box. Okay? It is easy. Okay? But little bit of what? Concentration is there. Okay? You have to focus it whenever you are doing this one. Okay? Very good. Let's go with this one and let's take this one. Okay? So what is the question? Write it now. Into minus 5. Same process. What is that? Minus 9 into minus 5. X square is there? No. So right here the variable x square. Next one is y square. With expression y, anything is there? Yes, it is there. Into y. Okay. So minus into minus plus 9 5s are 45. Very good. Into x square into y cube. 45 x square y cube. So what is the answer? It is which two we did? This one. Okay. So what is the answer? 45 x square y cube. Like this manner you have to solve it, my dear friends. Okay. Same with the rest of the things. You just try by your own so that you can what easily understood how they are multiplied with each other. Who? Yes, the two monomials. Okay. To find the product between the two monomials. Understood? Very good, my dear friends. Let's go to the fourth one of exercise 9.2. What are they? given in your book is saying that find the volume of the rectangle. Yeah, here it is also the important thing. Volume of the rectangle. Okay. So here it is given, find the volume of the rectangle. How you will find the volume of the rectangle? Yes, you have to multiply everything. Okay, what is that? You have to multiply the three sides, that is A into B into C. Okay, so here the three sides are given. Let's do it one by one. You have to remember the volume of the rectangle is what? This one. Okay, here the multiplication is going on between whom? Yes, three monomials. Before that we read about the two monomials. Here it is what? Yes, between three monomials. Okay, so first one is what? 5a comma 3a square and 7a fourth. Okay, so write the multiplication first. 5a into 3a square into 7a fourth. Here two processes are there, my dear friends. Either you can directly multiply it, or first multiply 2, then the result will be multiplied with the third one. Like that manner also. Okay, let's go 2 by 2. Okay, first multiply the constant. 5 into 3 into a square into 7a fourth as it is. Next 15a cube into 7a fourth. Again 15 into 7 a cube into a fourth. 105 a power of 7. This is the volume of the rectangle of three monomials or three given side. What is the answer? 105 a power of 7. Like this manner you have to be solve one by one question of your book. Understood? Okay, very good, my friend. Let's go for the second one. Okay, try it. What is the second one? It's given of the fourth bit of your exercise 9.2. Okay, it's saying xy and 2x square y and 2xy square. These are the three sides of the rectangle, and you have to find the what? Volume. Means what? Volume is what? You have to multiply all. Xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. Okay. Always be careful whenever you are multiplying the x variables. Okay, because variable having the powers. Okay. Here, whenever you are multiplying the variables, you have to be remember which one. Yes, exponent power formulas. Okay, so that you can easily solve the question. Okay, break it now. 2 into x square into y into, okay, it is as it is. Okay, next. Here no constant is there. Write it to x into x square, x into x square. Next, into y into 2xy square. 2 into x power of 3. Yes. Next, y square into 2xy. Because it is already separated, so only separate this one. Into 2 into x into y square. Understood? Like this manner it is there. So solve it now. 2 x square x cube into x, or you can bring it in one place so that no confusion will be there and no mistake will be done by you. Okay. So what is the answer? Yes, 2 is there. Something is missed by my side. Yeah, here the constant I am not written here. Okay, so write the constant in one place. 2 into 2. Now what is the answer? Shall I erase this one? Okay. Okay. I just write down whatever we get it in the down into x into y square into y square. Who will tell me right now? Yes, Kamalakant, very good. 2 2s are 4 into x cube into x power of 4 into y square, y power of 4 So 4x4y. This is the answer of what? The volume of the rectangle. Okay, by using the formula. Which one? The volume of the rectangle formula. Okay, if the three monomials are given, then how you will be multiplying and getting the answer. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Let's go to the simple things. What is that? Find the product of the three monomials. Okay, let's do it. My dear friends, I am always told you, please remember the fundas and formulas, whatever it is given in your books. Okay, so that you can solve it in very careful manner. Okay, let's find the product of xy, yz and zx. How I will be multiplying and find out the answer, or how you will find out the product of the two numbers. Okay, so what you have to do? First, write in the multiplication form. Then what you have to do? Now split this one. When you want x into y into z into x. Now what is the next step? You have to bring the variables in one place. Same variable. Here one x is there, another x, 2x into how many y's? Y into y's. How many z? 2 z's. But they are multiplied. Don't write here 2z, 2x, 2y. Okay, because they are multiplied. You have to write what? Square form. And what? X square into y square into z square, or x square, y square, z square. Like this manner, you have to find out the answer of what? Product of the three monomials. Understood? Okay, very good, my dear friends. Okay, let's go to the second one. What is the second one? The second bit of the fifth number is saying, the second one is saying that what? You have to find m comma minus mn comma mn p. Now you have to find the product means what? In place of comma you have to put it the multiplication sign. Okay, so put it now. M into minus mn into mn p. Now split everything. If it is easy, then you can split it. Okay, minus m into n into m into n into p. Okay, now bring all m in one place. Means same variable in one place. Okay, and n into n into p. Now how many m's are there? M into m, m square. M square into m, m cube. But here minus is there, put your minus. How many n's are there? Into n square into p. So what is the answer? Minus m cube into n square into p, or m cube n square p is the answer of your given data. Understood, my dear friends? Like this manner you have to solve it in a very careful manner so that you have no mistakes. Okay, very good. Okay, so we go for the another one. Okay, let's go for it. But before that, carefully, whenever I always told you, whenever you attend any question, remember the fundas and the rules. Okay, so that it will be very, very easy for you. Okay, let's go for it. What is that? 2 4y, then 8y square, then 16y cube. Okay, now in place of comma, what you have to do? Yes, you have to put the multiplication sign. Okay, 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. So what to do? Yes, first multiply 2 to 1. Okay, you can multiply 2 to, or you can multiply at a time also. Okay, but be careful whenever you attend all the multiplication. Okay, so it is 2 4s are 8y into, this one is 8 into 16, 112. Okay, 8 6 sorry, 128 y square into y cube. Who will tell me? Yes, y power of 5. Why? Y square into y cube is equal to y power of 2 plus 3 is equal to y power of 5. This is the solution. Okay. So don't be confused. Okay, my friends? Okay. Always you have to remember the exponent power formula. Okay. Now what you have to do? Yes, again same thing it is there. Multiply these two. Okay. How much it will come in? 4, 6, 2, 2, 1024, y power of 6. How? Again, y into y power of 5, y 1 plus 5, y power of 6. This is the answer. Like this manner, you have to solve each and every question given in your book or in your the questions whatever coming in your exam. Okay, my dear friends. So, my dear friends, if you like my channel, please subscribe it. And if you have any doubt, what you have to do? Yes, write in my comments so that I will clear your doubts. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.